Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today, I'll be showing you how quick and easy it is to replace the batteries in your Panasonic Toughbook CF33. For this, you don't need to flip it over or anything. You just want to open this top lid here. Just press that button forward. And that'll open up the access to both batteries. Each battery has a little slide next to it that if you slide over, the battery will pop out. They're easy swappable batteries, and you can put that right back. No screws or anything. And you're all set. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments, you can leave below.